Hello viewers, good morning. Come back to with me Bunga Diska Putri in Citra Bangsa TV. Today new reports that there is a popular pharmacy vocational high school. This school located in Wisdom, Indonesia, namely in Aceh, North Aceh district. Let's watch the news. Please with your report.
Hi viewers, I'm currently at the pharmacy, International Pharmacy, Poskola School.
Hi. Hi.
What is your name?
My name is Sri Mulyasari.
This is with one of the student educated at the pharmacy Poskola School. Let's ask him about his experience of studying here. May I ask you a question?
Yes. Okay.
How was your experience while studying here?
Okay. Studying at SMK Pharmacy Cikarangsa has been a great experience. The school provides excellent education in the pharmaceutical field, with knowledgeable teachers and well-equipped laboratories. The learning environment is supportive and have been both theoretical and practical knowledge that will be useful for my future career. And additionally, I have made good friends and learned valuable life skills. Overall, I'm very satisfied with my education at the school. Thank you.
Good viewers, as we have heard the experience of pharmacy for school student. That's all for today meeting. Ramzil Ulfa will take my leave. Thank you.
That the news continued in the front. For mother who want their children to be silent, you can enter pharmacy vocational school. See you next time. Thank you.